Your neighbor just installed a two-story deck. A noisy highway was built 100 meters from your backyard, and every time you step outside, you feel like you are living in a fishbowl. The answer most people reach for? Bamboo. And that single decision has destroyed foundations, triggered lawsuits, and turned friendly neighborhoods into all-out property wars. Bamboo roots are so powerful they push straight through concrete walls, drainage pipes, and brick structures without slowing down. Several municipalities across the United States and United Kingdom have already banned certain bamboo varieties altogether. The situation is getting worse every year. But here's the real twist. There are plants on this list that grow faster than bamboo, look dramatically better, and will never earn you a legal notice from your local council. William Scott here, and on Golden Age Gardening, the mission is always to give you knowledge that actually works in the real world. If this is your first time here, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now, ring the notification bell, and drop a comment below telling us which plant on this list surprised you the most. Let us get into it. Fast-growing fence number 15, wax myrtle. Starting the countdown at number 15 with a plant that deserves far more attention than it gets. Wax myrtle is a native North American evergreen shrub that grows at a steady pace of around 2 feet per year and can eventually reach 15 to 20 feet tall. The aromatic leaves naturally repel mosquitoes and many common garden pests, which is something no wooden fence can ever do. It thrives in poor soils, sandy coastal conditions, and even tolerates periods of flooding. Once established, it is one of the most drought-resistant screening plants available. For homeowners in the southeastern United States, this is practically a miracle plant. Plant them 4 to 5 feet apart, and they knit together into a thick, fragrant wall within a few seasons. Fast-growing fence number 14, viburnum. Coming in at number 14 is a plant that gives you privacy and a garden spectacle at the same time. Viburnum grows roughly 2 feet per year and tops out between 10 and 15 feet tall. Every spring, it erupts in large clusters of white flowers that attract pollinators in huge numbers. After the flowers fade, colorful berries take over and draw songbirds directly into your garden. The dense, deciduous foliage provides excellent coverage through spring, summer, and autumn. For homeowners who want a privacy hedge that doubles as a wildlife habitat, viburnum is one of the smartest choices on this entire list. Space plants about 4 feet apart for the fastest fill-in rate. Fast-growing fence number 13, areca palm. For those in warm climates, Florida, Southern California, the Gulf Coast, and similar zones, areca palm gives the kind of lush, resort-style privacy that nothing else can match. The feathery, arching fronds create a soft, tropical curtain that moves beautifully in the breeze. It can reach 15 to 20 feet tall, and when planted in a tight row, forms one of the most visually dramatic living fences imaginable. It prefers bright conditions and moist, well-drained soil. Feed it with a palm-specific fertilizer during the growing season to keep it pushing upward at its fastest rate. This is the kind of screen that makes your backyard look like a 5-star resort rather than a suburban lot. Fast-growing fence number 12, American arborvitae. Number 12 is a cold climate warrior. American arborvitae is one of the most popular evergreen privacy plants in the northern United States for a very good reason. It is extremely cold-hardy and virtually indestructible in harsh winters. It grows at a reliable rate and forms a dense, tightly layered hedge with just one pruning session per year. It handles urban pollution well, adapts to most soil types, and stays vibrantly green all year round. The main thing to watch for is deer pressure in rural areas, so pairing it with a deer-resistant companion plant along the outer row is a smart strategy. For anyone living in a genuinely cold zone where other hedges die back every winter, this is the plant that holds the line. Fast-growing fence number 11, skip laurel. Skip laurel, also known as ship laurel, is one of those underrated performers that professional landscapers keep coming back to. It grows at a consistent rate, responds beautifully to annual shaping, and can build a clean 10-foot privacy screen that looks genuinely polished. The glossy evergreen leaves stay rich and dark throughout all 4 seasons. It tolerates shade far better than most screening plants, which makes it the right call for yards with large, mature trees blocking the sunlight. Unlike some fast growers that become leggy and bare at the base over time, skip laurel maintains dense coverage from the ground all the way up, giving complete visual blocking at eye level where it matters most. Fast-growing fence number 10, Murray cypress. At number 10, meet the smarter, tougher evolution of the classic fast-growing cypress. The Murray cypress grows at 3 feet per year, matching the speed of the most popular privacy trees, but it is engineered for longevity.
Its lateral branches are significantly stronger, meaning heavy ice and snowfall that would split a weaker tree simply gets shrugged off. It carries far better natural resistance to the root rot and fungal canker diseases that cut so many fast growers short. If the goal is a privacy fence that is still standing strong 30 or 40 years from now, the Murray cypress is the investment that holds its value. Plant it with proper spacing of 6 to 8 feet and let it build into a fortress without drama. Fast-growing fence number 9, Nellie R. Stevens Holly. Number 9 is for serious property owners who want their privacy fence to do double duty as a security barrier. The Nellie R. Stevens Holly grows 2 to 3 feet per year into a dense pyramidal evergreen form. The leaves are tough, waxy, and loaded with sharp points. When planted 4 feet apart, adjacent plants grow together into a wall that is physically impenetrable, the living equivalent of barbed wire, but one that looks like a high-end botanical garden feature rather than a security installation. It keeps intruders out, keeps pets and children safely in, produces white flowers in spring and red berries in autumn, and maintains deep green color even through the most brutal summer heat. This is one of the most complete privacy plants in existence. Fast-growing fence number 8, Red Tip Photinia. The Photinia at number 8 is the privacy fence that moonlights as a garden artwork. New growth emerges in a fiery, cinematic red before gradually maturing into a dense, waxy, deep green. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year and fills in so tightly that once established, you genuinely cannot see a sliver of light through it. But its secret power is acoustic. The combination of extraordinarily dense branching and thick, broad leaves means the Photinia acts as a natural sound barrier. Scientific studies on dense hedge planting confirm that properly established hedges can reduce ambient noise levels by several decibels, and the Photinia's structure makes it one of the most effective on this list. If your yard borders a busy road, a neighbor with outdoor machinery, or a commercial area, this is the plant to reach for. Share this tip with a friend who needs it, and while you are there, make sure you are subscribed to Golden Age Gardening for more knowledge like this every week.
Fast-growing fence number 7, Silver Sheen Pittosporum. Number 7 brings a completely different visual language to the privacy fence conversation. Silver Sheen Pittosporum is the designer's choice for modern, minimalist properties, particularly in California, the American South, and similar warm climate zones. Its tiny, shimmering silver-green leaves sit on near-black stems, creating a texture that looks expensive and intentional rather than just functional. The fine foliage catches wind in a way that creates a soft, continuous rustling sound that serves as natural white noise for an outdoor sitting area. It is a fast grower, drought-tolerant once established, and requires minimal shaping to stay looking sharp. For a contemporary home with clean architectural lines, this plant fits the aesthetic in a way that bulkier hedges simply cannot. Fast-growing fence number 6, Willow Hybrid, Salix Matsudana X alba. Number 6 on the countdown is the most explosive grower on this entire list, an absolute record breaker. The Willow Hybrid grows up to 6 feet in a single year. 3 years after planting, a 20-foot screen is entirely achievable. This is not a shrub. It is a specialized hybrid tree purpose-built for large-scale screening. It is the right tool for blocking a noisy highway, a massive commercial building, or a 2-story neighbor who overlooks your entire garden. One critical note that cannot be skipped: willow hybrids have an intensely aggressive root system that seeks water. Keep them a minimum of 50 feet from any septic lines, underground pipes, pool systems, or drainage infrastructure. However, if there is a wet, low-lying corner of the property that nothing else will tolerate, this hybrid will turn it into a 20-foot green wall within a few seasons. Fast-growing fence number 5, North Privet. Halfway through the countdown, and number 5 is the specific variety built for cold climate gardeners who feel left out of the privacy hedge conversation. The North Privet was selectively bred for both speed and extreme cold tolerance. It pushes on through sub-zero temperatures that kill or severely damage most other hedging plants, growing up to 3 feet per season even in genuinely hostile northern climates. The internal branch density it builds is remarkable. When the leaves drop in late autumn, the lattice of branches left behind is thick enough to still provide a meaningful visual screen and to break the force of freezing winter winds. For northern homeowners who have watched one privacy planting after another fail in harsh winters, North Privet is the answer they have been looking for. Fast-growing fence number 4 is cherry laurel. Number 4 is the choice for gardeners who want their privacy fence to make an architectural statement. Cherry laurel features large, oblong, deeply glossy leaves that reflect light in a way that actually makes a smaller backyard feel more spacious and brighter. It grows around 2 to 3 feet annually and eventually tops out above 20 feet when allowed to reach full size. Its genuine superpower is shade tolerance. Cherry laurel thrives in conditions that would slowly kill most other fast-growing screening plants. Dark alleyways between buildings, yards dominated by large established oak or maple trees, north-facing shaded plots. Cherry laurel handles them all. In spring, it produces beautiful white flower spikes with a scent reminiscent of sweet almonds. This is a plant that rewards the gardener with beauty at every season. If this content is helpful, give the video a like right now. It genuinely helps Golden Age gardening reach more gardeners who need this information. Fast-growing fence number 3 is privet or ligustrum. Coming in strong at number 3 is one of the most shape-responsive plants in the entire gardening world. Privet, or ligustrum, grows up to 3 feet per year and responds to shearing with almost mechanical precision. A well-maintained privet hedge can be cut into a razor-sharp, flat-topped wall that looks like a solid green structure built from stone. It is exceptionally salt-tolerant, which makes it the right call for coastal properties where salt spray kills most other plants. It handles urban pollution without complaint. For gardeners in warmer zones who want year-round green coverage, the Japanese privet variety stays evergreen. In cooler zones, the dense winter branch structure still provides excellent visual screening even after the leaves have dropped. This is the landscaper's clay, infinitely shapeable, fast, and tough. Fast-growing fence number 2 is Thuja Green Giant. The number 2 spot belongs to the plant that has quietly displaced every other option in professional high-end landscaping over the past decade. The Thuja Green Giant is a hybrid powerhouse that grows up to 3 feet per year in a naturally tight, uniform conical shape that requires almost no maintenance pruning to keep looking perfect. Unlike standard arborvitae varieties from garden centers, the Green Giant handles sandy soil, heavy clay, drought, and urban pollution with equal indifference. It is essentially indestructible. The single most important selling point for many homeowners, deer strongly avoid it. Deer will decimate almost any other evergreen hedge given the chance, but the Green Giant's foliage chemistry makes it deeply unappealing to them. Plant it properly, 6 to 8 feet apart, give it a slow-release fertilizer in its first spring, and then essentially walk away. It will do the rest.
Fast-growing fence number 1, Leyland Cypress. And at the top of the countdown, the undisputed king of the fast privacy screen, the Leyland Cypress. Under the right conditions of full sun and well-drained soil, this evergreen can add 3 to 4 feet of height per year. The soft, feathery texture creates a formal, stately appearance that elevates the look of any property. It is what professional landscapers call the instant screen. Plant it and watch results happen within the first season. The critical mistake most homeowners make is planting them too close together. A minimum spacing of 6 to 10 feet is essential. Crowded Leyland cypress lose their lower branches from light competition and become vulnerable to Ceridium canker disease. Give them proper room and they will build a 30-foot fortress within a single decade. For those who want the speed of the Leyland but with stronger ice resistance and better disease tolerance over the long term, the Murray cypress at number 10 is the logical upgrade. Plant smart, not fast. Every single plant on this list outperforms bamboo in at least one critical area: legality, containment, appearance, disease resistance, or long-term reliability. The right choice depends on the climate zone, the soil conditions, the available sunlight, and the specific problem being solved. Before planting any of these, dig a simple drainage test. Fill a 12-inch hole with water and check that it drains within 24 hours. Poor drainage is the #1 silent killer of new privacy plantings. For the fastest establishment, plant in autumn when roots can develop without the stress of of summer heat. Water deeply twice per week for the entire first growing season and apply a high-nitrogen, slow-release fertilizer each spring. That combination alone can add a full growing season worth of progress in the first year. If this video saved your garden from a bamboo nightmare or introduced you to a plant you never knew existed, share it with one person right now who is staring at an ugly fence wishing for a better solution. Subscribe to Golden Age Gardening for weekly content that gives real, research-backed gardening knowledge. Drop a comment below telling William Scott which of these 15 plants is going into your garden this season. The garden community here always has the best answers and the best backyards to prove it.